and we're done. So brought her outside just to let her sit outside for a few minutes. I'll plan on putting her back in on the rack and leaving her there for 24 hours. But here it is, fully ceramic coated with AvalonKing. Only one coat, that's what AvalonKing recommends, that really 2 coats does not do too much anything to the car. So we only went with the 1 coat, and we'll go from there and just see kind of how long it lasts. But I've done quite a few cars with Avalon, and through the years it holds up very, very well. So kind of a recap: we washed the vehicle, then we IronX, you know, as far as I'm using iron on the car to get out some of the any of the fallout or anything like that, you know, acid rains, things like that that may adhere to the paint. So we got all that done. Then we clayed it, we washed it again, and then did the polishing next after that, and then did a IPA wipe down to get all the residue from the polishing compound off. And then from there we set 1 coat of AvalonKing on the car. So I think it did really good. We even did it here on all the black trim as well. I thought came out good. So I think that it really turned out good. And you can kind of see the reflection. So I really do think it came out well. So here you go. If you have any comments, leave them below. Definitely click to subscribe and notify. That kind of helps out me build the channel. And let me know what else you want me to do, try out as far as cleaning, performance, or what have you on the R8.